And the scenario is that I have given sufficient evidence to show that we are not permitted to discharge our obligation of investigation by interference by the highest political executive and supported by the DG, the police commissioner, DCP downwards, and that is the Malot position. But for your lordship's protection, by now these officers would have been behind bars. CBI officers were taken to the police station. But our senior officials had to go to the police station and got them relieved. CBI officials were taken to the police station from the commissioner of police. I have made detailed averments from the house of the commissioner of police, where the honorable CM goes, stages a dharna outside the gate, and our CBI officials are picked up by local police and taken to some Sarani police station. That's the position. And my lord, your lordships have known, my lord, even the judicial officers were crying. The lady judicial officer was crying that what will happen to my family. 7 judicial officers' cars were attacked. And by order of this honorable court, the case was transferred to but she's asking you, your lordships put that recent incident, and she's asking whether it's a part of this petition. Yes. Please now come to the prayer.
You maintain your rhythm, Mr. Mehta.
Yes, I am maintaining.
Yes.
Nobody can derail me without my consent.
Yes.
If I am derailed, my lord, it is always when I want.
No, you.
Page 46 is the
you
prayer.
Derail others, don't get derailed.
Yes.
Yes.
Issue a writ of mandamus directing the another one. Lordships have this scenario. There is a complaint by individual police officers as well as by the enforcement directorate in a representative capacity. Your lordships may even forget responder petitioner number 2, my lord, for the time being. The individuals are before your lordship. And the scenario is that I have given sufficient evidence to show that we are not permitted to discharge our obligation of investigation by interference by the highest political executive and supported by the DG, the police commissioner, DCP downwards, and that is the Malot position. Now, these petitioners who are individuals, natural persons, discharging their official duties under the statute, are now facing FIRs. In that background, please look at the prayer.
This Robin is also facing FIR.
Yes, I so not the FIR. They have not named. They have said those officers of ED. But Robin is the person who authorized. The petitioners, other petitioners in the petition where Mr. Raju would be assisting, they are the authorized people. They were admittedly there for the purpose of conducting this search. They were the people who interacted with the Honorable Chief Minister. They were the people, named individuals who are petitioners, who said that you cannot take away this. This is custody. This is in our custody. This is the object of crime. And but for your lordship's protection, by now these officers would have been behind bars. CBI officers were taken to the police station. But our senior officials had to go to the police station and got them relieved. CBI officials were taken to the police station from the commissioner of police. I have made detailed averments from the house of the commissioner of police, where the honorable CM goes, stages a dharna outside the gate, and our CBI officials are picked up by local police and taken to some Sarani police station. That's the position, and therefore this prayer, and we have a look at the prayer now. Issue a writ of mandamus directing the Central Bureau of Investigation to register FIRs and investigate the entire incident in relation to the obstruction of ED's search conducted on 8th January 26 at both residential premises of one Mr. So-and-so as well as at the office of Messrs. IPAC Limited, described in detail hereinabove, including the role of the present respondents being so-and-so, so-and-so, and so-and-so. But I cannot go and file this FIR before the West Bengal Police that investigate your chief minister. Page 46.
Okay, prayer you are reading.
Prayer. I'm sorry, not prayer. I just read for your lordship's consideration. Issue a writ of mandamus directing the CDI to register FIRs and investigate the entire incident in relation to obstruction of ED's search conducted on 8th January 26 at both the residential premises of one so-and-so as well as at the office premises of IPAC described in detail herein above, including the role of the present respondent number 2, so-and-so, so-and-so, so-and-so. Now, my lord, I am putting a question to myself, can I go and file an FIR there when I am myself facing an FIR that investigate the role of Chief Minister, the Director General of Police, the Commissioner of Police, the DCP of Police and 100 policemen who escorted them? I cannot. They have already filed affidavits giving them the clean sheet. Some independent neutral agency under your lordship supervision will have to go into it. This is not, my lord, a fight between A versus B. This is a fight where, my lord, a central investigating agency is investigating with proper documentation and the political executive, highest political executive supported by the highest echelons of the police department comes and snatch away the incriminating material on the ground that IPAC is also our political advisor and you wanted some secret documents from IPAC regarding our political party. That's not the, if at all, if it is a convincing argument, it must have convinced them a lot before making it, but that's the only argument. I show a lot the Honorable Chief Minister admits that I did go. The Director General of Police admits that I did go because she is a Z protect. So wherever the Honorable Chief Minister goes, the Director General of Police also is required to because she is a Z protect. I'll come to that. Then one second. Direct immediate seizure, silly, forensic preservation and restoration of to lawful custody of the Enforcement Directorate, all digital devices, electronic records, storage media and documents illegally and forcibly taken away from the search premises. Then C. Issue a writ in the nature of mandamus commanding the respondent number 1 to 5 authorities restraining the state authorities from interfering in proceedings under PML. Transfer. Now, this I can pray only before this court. My learned friend, my lord, will assist your lordship on this. No other court, my lord, except the constitutional court can say that give it to CBA. 156(3) earlier can never come into this. Transfer the FIR number so-and-so, so-and-so, so-and-so registered against any officer of the Enforcement Directorate with respect to searches conducted on 8/1/26 during course of investigation of the coal scam in West Bengal under ECR so-and-so to the Central Bureau of Investigation, which would be in consonance with the consistent with prayer A. Let their case also be investigated, my version be also investigated by CB. So your lordships would not be deciding any disputed facts. There is one version. There is an admitted version of the other side. And now, what is that admitted version? Please take a lot the Honorable Chief Minister's affidavit. I'll read only one para. I don't wish a lot to sensationalize it. Just, it is necessary, for my purpose, as a legal